Oh, look, it's a takoyaki. That's adorable. Yep, there you go. Another pot. This could just be garbage. Was the lucky bag worth 3,000 yen? Hello, people of the world! This is Jason is Lost, Japanese culture, adventure, and of course, Gundam. And it's the beginning of a new year, so you know what that means. Fukubukuro! Yes, Fukubukuro. This is a Gundam Fukubukuro. This was 3,000 yen, but apparently conceals 7,000 yen's worth of items from the Gundam franchise. So very curious to see what's inside. So if you're not too sure what Fukubukuro are, basically on the 1st of January every year, lots of Japanese retailers collect a lot of their unsold merchandise and put them in these mystery bags, and all the items end up being a heavily discounted price. So you don't know what you're getting in the bag, but the assumption is that you're getting a bargain and paying only a fraction of the worth of the items in the bag. You're damn right, it's a puppet! Holy shit, what is this? Oh, it's over 9,000. Is that a thing? Absolutely no idea what these are. Does it move? Does it move? Does it move? Might be me moving it. Well, I'm having fun. Okay, so Fukubukuro number 2. Apparently this is all Gundam stuff. So let's take a look. Oh, it's an actual bag. It's an actual bag. The Fukubukuro is a Fukubukuro. Okay, so now the bag feels heavy. That's quite bizarre. Okay, so what's in here? What is this? What is this? Oh, wow. Okay. I think it's just a ball. What? No, there's... Okay, so this is a Haro. What does it do? Oh, look, it's a takoyaki. So Haro in the Gundam series is like a little robot thing that rolls around and had comic relief, I suppose. This is from the Gundam Cafe as well, one of the stores and restaurants, Gundam-based restaurant in Tokyo. And I can put stuff in him. And if you don't know what takoyaki is, check out my video on Osaka, one of my travel vlogs from Osaka in Japan. It's a lot of fun, and takoyaki is like the food that you have to eat. Okay, what is next? That. Okay, I know that's the head of one of the Canon mobile suits. What on earth is this? I've got no idea what it does, but inside is, there we go, got some antennae on there. No idea what I do with this. Okay, what's next? This is soft. What's this? Ooh, like a beer towel? It's like a little towel. Oh wow, what's that? Mobile suit Gundam RX-78-2 35th anniversary. Cool, it's like a flannel, like a hand towel, with Gundam on the front there. Really cool. Okay. Another thing. What's this? Oh, I can already see it. So it's a phone charm, I think. Yeah, it's a phone charm. And it's not just any old phone charm. It's a little act guy. Literally one of my favourite mobile suits. And he's pink as well. I think that's just adorable. That's adorable. Okay, there's a box. What? So this is a prize from an Ichiban Kuji. One of the smaller prizes. I've got one of my first videos in Japan was winning Harry Potter's wand from Harry Potter Ichiban Kuji in a 7-Eleven. Basically, it's like a little lottery for prizes. You buy, I think they're about 650 yen, and you peel off the ticket and you see what number prize you've got. If you've got an A or a B, they're kind of rarer. D's and E's, there's probably quite a few of these. There'll be different varieties, but this is the, well, I don't know what it is, but this is the head of a Dom. Again, one of my favourite mobile suits. I think it's just a dish or something. Something to put stuff in. Yeah, just a pot, just a little box. but quite cool actually, considering it's one of my favourite mobile suits there. The Dom, or the Rig Dom. Okay, what else? What else? What is this? Which one? There's one that's big, there's one that's... What's this? Okay. It looks like a little plastic case for something. This is... I think that's a Meshi holder. Meshi. I think that's a business card holder. And that's... I know that's a Zeon mobile suit there. Just poking out the water there. I think it's probably a business card holder. There's another big box here. Oh, cool. Well, again, this is another D prize from Nichiban Kuji. It's a Zaku. Yep, there you go. Another pot, another little box to put something in, trinkets and whatnot. But it's a Zaku, so that's cool. All right, what's this? Another bubble wrap thing. This just looks like, oh, I don't know. Is it like set dressing for your models? So we've got two pieces. That might simply... This could just be garbage, or it's been chucked in there and there's something else in the box that goes with it. I don't know. Okay, what's this? Another thing, another... Ooh. Okay, another Ichiban Kuji, this time an F prize. So they're getting lower in quality. Definitely RX-78 heads, but are they cufflinks? What are they? They wouldn't be that big, would they? Okay, they are chopstick holders. Just to put beside your bowl or your plate and rest your hashi on, your chopsticks. That's very sweet, it's very cool. And what else do we have here? Okay, a little one, tiny one. What's this? I can see it's a Zaku. That's cool. It's a little goofy Zaku, little charm. Weird arms and legs, a little bit like a cartoon. But that's pretty cool. Still going. And there's another little one here. Probably another charm. Hey! This is a Dom. Again, as I mentioned, one of my favorites. A little Dom, Zeon Dom charm there. Is this the last one? Okay, last item. It's heavy. No idea. Ooh. Hang on. What's this? Okay, I've got two books. Principality of Zeon. Operational Mandates. I've got one here for Char Aznable. Oh, how cool. It's just a notebook. That one's just a notebook. And it's got the Zeon seal on there, which is pretty cool. And the other one, Char. Oh, yeah, just another notebook here. This one with some illustrations of the Zaku and Char there. Pretty cool. So there we are. That's the Gundam Lucky Bag. Was it worth 7,000 yen? I wouldn't have paid 7,000 yen for it, but for 3,000 yen, the experience of discovering all these little bits. Yeah, maybe. Maybe you should decide, actually. Put in the comments below, please. Was the Lucky Bag worth 3,000 yen? Probably not, but hey, we had fun. And there we are. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching the video. I do hope you enjoyed this Fukubukuro experience as much as I did. Do check out my other Fukubukuro videos as well. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. And if you're interested in Japan, Japanese culture, my travel adventures there, my life studying abroad in Tokyo, do check out my other videos. I'm sure you'll find something to enjoy. So do please comment below with your favorite items from the Fukubukuro, and you can really help the channel by liking the video if you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more videos on Japan. I'm going to leave it there, but again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.